So we just finished our Saturday workout at Axistence. That was a lot of fun. Very sweaty. Lots of varied things as you can see in the video.
So we try to get our workouts in during the week. We do 3 workouts. We do 3 workouts in the mornings during the week, but Saturday is a highlight because we get to relax and have a nice fun workout. It's normally something creative and you have more time and less stress. And this Saturday in particular was super fun. We were like the first people to arrive. The coaches at Axistence are awesome, and we can often have input on what we want to do and what we feel like doing, which we did in this case, and the workout was super fun.
Yeah, the workouts during the week are much more structured. Programming, we had 8-week cycles. We're kind of working towards certain goals, but Saturday we get to let loose a little bit, have a little bit more fun, do a little bit more creative things. So like if you saw the video today, different. The theme was kind of yard work, the natural things, kind of movements you're gonna have to do, and day-to-day yard work, picking things up, moving around. If you saw the foam sticks, there's bees outside.
Bees.
You gotta avoid them.
I got stung a few times.
Yeah. So we just try to put a little natural flair into some exercise or into some workouts, and put our own little personal style on there.
Definitely sweaty, definitely fun, and great way to start a Saturday.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Come see us.
And there were puppies.
There were puppies.
There was a puppy. I mean,
Can't beat that.
no.